When we're in the middle of one of Austin's torrential downpours, we all think about how our roads and homes may be flooded. But erosion is a less well-known concern. Rapidly flowing water in our creeks can lead to deeper channels and taller banks that can eventually collapse. Roads, bridges, trees, and even buildings can all be threatened. The city's Watershed Protection Department spends millions of dollars a year on projects to protect buildings and infrastructure from erosion. The department recently completed a $1.1 million restoration project along Eastwood's park just north of the UT campus. The work consisted of 5 project sites along Waller Creek and focused on repairing eroding stream banks, removal of invasive species, revegetation, and improving water quality.
So this was kind of the meat and potatoes of the project. We had stream banks up here that were probably about 12 feet tall, and they were undercut, so if you were standing out on the edge, it might crumble and you might fall in. So we came in and put in these natural boulders for the toe, and then vegetated soil lifts to the top, and then we planted a whole bunch of really nice trees and native species on top. And that can add to the age diversity of the trees in the park for the future. And the vegetation really turned out great on this one, probably the best of all of them.
This several-year collaborative effort was carried out by multiple organizations, contractors, and volunteers. They planted over 100 trees, as well as flowers, seeds, and grasses that will create a native forest along Waller Creek for future generations to enjoy. The park was established in the 1930s and was the original home of Eeyore's birthday party and the site of one of Austin's earliest Juneteenth celebrations. For more information on the Watershed Protection Department's erosion program, visit AustinTexas.gov/erosion.